still didn't have, or at least they weren't talking about, was a suspect.
They clearly had a theory about who did it, and it wasn't Ray Moody.
Did you see that press conference? Yeah, I saw it. Well, we all saw it. And when that came out, I said that obviously they found something that we didn't have.
So what did the FBI have? The day before that news conference, investigators brought Britney's family in to tell them something they weren't going to tell the public.
I'm being flown down to the area, told that yes, this is what happened to your daughter.
The details were horrible, heartbreaking. They came from a jailhouse informant who told the FBI he had seen Britney at this stash house in Batavia a few days after she disappeared. He said she was being sexually assaulted by two men, and when she tried to run away, the informant said, they shot her, killed her, took her body away. Other witnesses told the FBI they heard Britney's body was thrown into an alligator pit.
There's all those emotions that someone killed her and threw her in the pit. I just thought that we would never, you know.
The very idea, my God, it was just weird, Jim.
Yeah.
Britney's little brother was almost 13.
I don't remember who said it, but they told us what happened to my sister, and I ran into the laundry room, started crying and breaking down, then I went right outside, and I just was very devastated.
Not so big for you.
No, not at all.
It sounded like sort of the bottom falling out of your room or something.
Yeah, the little part of my heart kind of cracked, I'd say, and it just really put me into a dark place at that time, at that moment.
The family wasn't told the name of the alleged killer or killers, but later that summer the FBI moved in on one of their suspects, a guy named Timothy Taylor. But they didn't charge him with killing Britney. No, they brought him into federal court on new charges related to an armed robbery from years earlier. Now, agents told the federal judge they were investigating Taylor's possible connection to the Britney Drexel case.
His attorney himself said that they were trying to squeeze him, that they were trying to use these new charges against him to try and get him to provide information.
Information, evidence about what he and the other men had supposedly done to Britney. The shooter was probably Tim Taylor's father, according to the informant.
He had gone to the stash house to speak with Tim Taylor's father over some financial debt, and that during the course of that, Britney tried to run out, that she was pistol whipped, brought back in, and then he said shortly after that he heard a couple of gunshots, and that he saw individuals bring out a roll-up rug, put it in the back of the truck, and drive off.
Now they wanted Taylor to talk about all of it. The federal judge